Ay, eto po mga kabayan, panuurin po natin ang punto de vista dito ni Kuya Goods. Kuya Goods, wala nang intro-intro, ipasok mo.
Importante dun sa BICAM. Wala namang blanco doon and all the total.
Ate, hindi enroll bill pag-uusapan. BICAM.
Ayan.
Kailangan walang blanco. Sabi nga ni Raul, bakit pinipilit niyo yung enroll bill at gaan na yan? Ang usapin dito, sino yung pumirma ng blanco sa BICAM?
Kongresistang kumumpirmang may blankong items sa BICAM report para sa 2025 national budget. Sunod, kinakabataan Party List Representative Raul Manuel at Davao City Representative Ungab. Hindi miyembro ng Bicameral Conference Committee si Congresswoman Castro.
Hindi miyembro ha?
Yung sinasabing BICAM na pinaratify, may mga ilang blanco. Pero yung sinabmit kay Presidente, so tingin na wala kaming alam doon kung meron mang blanco yan. So I hope na reconcile kasi hindi pwedeng may blanco yan na ibibigay sa Presidente.
Pertaining to amounts for agriculture-related programs, activities, and projects in the Bicameral Committee conference report that we received on December 11, 2025, which means we ratified something that actually has no specific amounts for very important projects, especially agriculture.
So sabi niyo po 12. 12 ho ba?
12.
There's DA and there's also NIA.
Yes, DA, NIA, and Philippine Coconut Authority.
Right, PCA. But before we went on air, apart from the 12,
May
sinabi mo meron din dalawa under program.
Yes.
Tell us more about that too.
2 blanks naman po dahil supposedly merong specific na purposes kung saan pwedeng gamitin yung funds for unprogrammed appropriations. So now the list of purposes, instead of having a specific number, ginawa din pong blank. No? So there were 2 blanks pertaining to such, no? Saan pwedeng gamitin yung unprogrammed appropriations.
Pero may amount yon.
Sa unprogrammed po wala.
Wala, okay. So blanco lang, 2 blanco on posibleng puntahan nitong unprogrammed funds.
Yes,
And
correct.
for the benefit of the public, Kong, kayo na po magkwento ano bang, saan ba at kailan ginagamit at kailan ba nagkakaroon ng unprogrammed funds?
The representatives from the Makabayan Coalition, binigyan din kami ng physical or printed copy. And actually, similar din yung laman. At sa totoo lang, kahit ako, kung babalikan ko, I raised a manifestation mas doon pa sa laman ng mga programs na merong amounts at questionable. Halimbawa yung PhilHealth na zero budget. Pero naisip ko, ang dami pa lang na site na reasons doon sa manifestation ko. Pero kahit ako, hindi ko agad nakita na meron palang mga blanks. Kasi
Gano'ng kakapal ba ho yung hard copy?
Ano po siya, 200 plus pages.
Grabe.
About this much?
Yes.
So you're saying that what happens when you actually ratify it so we understand the process?
Dahil yun na yung nasa agenda and that is the will of the House majority, we had actually just a very few minutes nung natanggap namin yung soft copy at yung hard copy, siskim lang namin. At ang reference na lang namin ay yung mga naging previous interpellations or debates para lang ma-check kung alin dyan. Pero sobrang bilis, no? Kaya while we tried our best na masilip alin yung mga problems, yung mga blanks, unfortunately, nakalusot.
Okay, you didn't.
Yes. Good morning mga
It's
kasama.
time to
Nandito na
impeach.
naman si Kuya Goods nagbabalik. At
Ayun na.
syempre, kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa ating
Talaga,
channel,
pag hindi
pa-subscribe na lang
yan.
po at hit mo na rin yung bell para lagi kang
Impeach
updated
na yan.
sa ating mga video. Kahapon, umuugong-ugong yung mga usap-usapin
May
sa
impeachment.
impeachment. Kanino? Kung sino nakaupo ngayon. Ito, mayroon na naman. Karma ito ni, tutut, impeachment kay tutut. Confi fans, bubusisiin na. Sino-sino ito? Yan ang aalamin natin dito sa ulat ni Robin. Ngayon, meron na hong ilan na ba ho yung nagpahayag na meron hong blanco? Yung mga bumabatikos kay Tatay Digong, ngayon ho, naninindigan na may blanco daw na nakita sila dito sa report ng BICAM.
Yan na.
Nako. Sino-sino ito? Kung kilala nyo si Mount Apo, nanindigan na ho po siya na may blanco siyang nakita. At yung si Raul, nanindigan na rin siya na may blanco. Samantalang ito, nakakatawa. Si Grace, kilala nyo ba si Grace? Anak ng bugi. Siya sinabi niya wala raw blanco. Aabangan natin niya sa dulo ng ating video Kaya mas maganda, subaybayan nyo. Kailangan ito malaman ng ating kababayan kung sino talaga ang nagsasabi ng totoo. Kasi itong
Tatapalan,
mga
ganon.
Makabayan Black at ito sila Castro at ito si Raul. Alam natin, ito yung mga bumibira sa mga Duterte. Pero, meron silang stand na, bakit may blanco? Kaya, ito, subaybayan nyo. Pero, pag-usapan muna natin, itong bibigyan natin ng reaction, itong karma. Karma daw nito. Sino ba? Sino nakaupo ngayon? Ay, pasok mo, Robin.
Matapos ang balitang mayroon nang nagpaplano.
Oh. Narinig nyo, matapos na may balitang nagpaplano, aba, ibang usapin na ito. Talagang matindihan na ito. Baka mamaya magulat na lang tayo. Sabi ni Arling Jocelyn, Kuya Gus, baka magulat na lang tayo pagdating ng isang araw, nakalinyada na yung mga tao dyan sa, yan na. Pero bago natin simulan natin talakayan at reaksyon, sa like, sang share, at sang subscribe, all goods na po tayo dyan. Kaya like and share. like nyo ang video at i-share. Ito na, Robin.
Impeachment complaint laban kay Pangulong BBM. Nagpaplano na
Nako.
ng taong bayan
Patay.
upang busisiin ang confidential funds
Yan.
ng presidente. Ngunit ang Kongreso takot makalkal ang confidential at intelligence funds ni BBM. Bakit kaya? Dahil ba malalaman kung sino talaga ang naglulustay ng pera?
Yan.
Kinastigo kasi ng Makabayan Bloc ang liderato ng mababang kapulungan ng Kongreso kaugnay sa patuloy na hindi pag-aksyon sa 3 impeachment complaint na inihain ng iba't ibang grupo laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Nangangamba ang nasabing grupo na ang hindi pag-aksyon ng Kamara ay pag-iwas din na mabulatlat ang pondo ni BBM. Ayon pa sa post ni Tio Moreno.
No.
Let me explain this clearly. This has been part of a long-term plan. The political play they did to Vice President Sara was a trial balloon to test the waters and gauge the reaction of people to allowing Quadcom to take over the Commission on Audit's responsibilities.
Oh.
Now, impeachment cases are being filed against her as a result. Next, Quadcom, under the direction of Speaker Martin Romualdez and with the cooperation of the Makabayan Bloc, will move to investigate President Marcos Jr.'s confidential
Nako,
and intelligence funds. The ultimate goal? To file impeachment cases against Bongbong Marcos.
Ayan, narinig nyo ha. Uulitin natin ha. The ultimate goal ay to file impeachment cases against kung sino'y nabanggit as well. Usap-usapan na ito. Tuloy.
Ultimate goal? To file impeachment cases against Bongbong Marcos as well. If Vice President Sara is impeached, it sets the stage for BBM to be impeached too. And who decides what happens next? Congress. Here's where the strategy gets interesting. BBM may not be impeached immediately, since he's still considered an ally of the House of Crocs.
Nako,
However,
yeah. Totoo
if
nga.
Vice President Sara is removed from office, the President has the constitutional power to nominate a new Vice President. The nominee must be confirmed by a majority vote of both the Senate of the Philippines and the House of Representatives of the Philippines, voting separately. Who is the most likely candidate for Vice President? Martin Romualdez. Now, if Romualdez becomes the Vice President, that's the time they will impeach BBM. Why? Romualdez will automatically assume the presidency due to the line of succession. This is the reason why they are silent about the mistakes and impeachable offense of BBM. When the right time comes, they will use it against him. That is the end game. But if Martin Romualdez becomes president, it would pave the way for the Yellows turned Kakampinks to regain power more easily. Why? They are well aware of how Romualdez operates, making it easier for them to pin him down once he's in office. This explains why they are currently ingratiating themselves with him,
No.
abandoning their principles and working alongside him. The plan is already in motion. Knowing they cannot win elections outright, they are banking on strategy to achieve their goals. Speaking of impeachment, nagsalita naman itong walang kwentang pari na kongresista na ito na si Benny
I
Abante.
don't want her to
Ayaw
become
daw
a
niya
president.
na
She
maging
is the worst.
presidente si Vice President Sara.
Bakit?
She is worse. Hindi ba't ang worse ay itong si Benny Abante dahil sa
Totoo.
kanyang mga padila-dila. Naturing ang pari pero ang haba ng dila na siyang binarating ni Mr. Whitaker. Panoorin natin ang buong video.
Lo! Ay, Diyos ko! Benny Abante! Pastor! Takot ka ba, Pastor? Sabi ni Pastor.
If you suffer from back or hip pain, the thought of laying down on a flat bed for 8 hours every night can be scary. This is a labor.
Pastor dyan. I don't want her to become president. She is worse. I don't think she is. I do not want her to become president. If we believe that the former president is quite bad, she is worse.
Lang. Hanggang dito muna to mga kababayan. Sige.
Ay,
Out, out,
nako.
out, out.
Abante.